Hello girls, we are here on the landing page of ProQuest and today I'm going to show you how to do the publication search in ProQuest. Okay, I have logged in into the ProQuest using our SNDT Women's University login ID and a password, and here on this landing page you can observe that at the center you can observe here scholarly journals, books, video, audio, dissertation, thesis, and etc. Okay, this is especially for searching your query, but I am going to show you how to search in a publication. So for that you need to see these different tabs. Under this tab you have to click on publications. So when you click on a publication, you can search and browse full text publications in the selected databases. Okay, here you can observe that there are 24,572 publications. Under that it can search your query and find out what exactly publications that you are going to search. Okay, and these publications are not only scholar journals but also books, audio video works, newspaper, magazines, and etc. You can observe here that these are the different type of documents that or a source type that publications cover. Okay, so suppose I want to search journals which contain the name called reference. Okay, suppose I want to read articles related to the reference services, reference sources in the subject of library and information science. I'm interested in reading such type of articles, or I'm interested in finding out the journals related to reference works, reference services. Okay, so for that what you can do is that you just type here reference, correct, and then here are the options under this drop down menu. You can observe that title, you can try to find out reference in the title of the publications. Okay, or it begins with this particular word, or in a publication summary, or in a subject, but I'm basically trying to find out the reference word in the title. Means I'm trying to find out the journals which contains the word called reference. Okay, in case of library information science. Okay, so I'm just going to click here search. So when I click here on a search, I am able to see there are 9 publications, right? But I want to search these publications only under the specific subject that is called as library and information science. So I can click here, right? And I can come to know here only that there are 4 publications from the library and information science. So I click here. The moment I click here, I am able to see the 4 publications. Okay, so among these 4 publications, I guess there are only 3 journals, but the 4th one is not a journal as such. Okay, but I am looking for journals, so I am going to again use the filter called scholarly journal. So on the left side you will able to observe that these are the different type of filters that you can use for searching. Okay, they are your for help. So again you can see here there are 2 filters I have applied, that is scholarly journals and then library information sciences, correct. So there are almost 3 publications in this ProQuest database. These are the scholarly journals related to references. Okay, reference or reference services, reference work. Okay, so any library science student or a teachers who wish to read articles from reference services, reference work, they can just click on these 3 publications and they can read the articles, right? So if you wish to read these articles, you have to just click here on this publication. Here in this case reference reviews, right now we can see up to 2018, right from 1995. Okay, and this is the 7/8 issue of 2018. So these are the articles you can see in front of you. Okay, you can click any of the article and read. Okay, just click here and you can see the full text of the article. Here is the article. You can read full text PDF, you can save, You can download, you can print, you can email, even you can cite also. You can get a ready-made APA citations if you click here. So once the moment you click here, you are able to see this citation according to APA 7th edition. Okay, you can just copy paste and you can use it wherever you want. Okay, so if you are writing some article related to this particular topic, you can use this ready-made citation in your reference list. So this is the full text of article. Go back again. You can download the article, you can save it, you can save the search also. So this is all about how to do the publication search in the ProQuest. So in this way you can just use these different type of filters and by clicking the publications and different filters which are there on the left side, you can search different type of journals in a various subjects. Okay, so one can just select and they can go via publications to read their preferred journal and the articles. Thank you.